Guys, today we're doing an example in chapter 3. I don't think there are any previous questions in that area. Let's look at question. It's chapter 3, number 8. Go to chapter 3. No, silence. Back one. 3, number 8. And that involves the sparklines, which is something I just learned about. I never really used before. And multiple choice by taking this data and converting it into a sparkline. So first step is to get the data into Excel, because you can't do this in StatCrunch. Open up the Excel file, click on, do that, and then we do insert, sparkline. Oh, I have to read the question. Let's go back to the question again. That. Applied column and sparklines. We have to make two graphs. Let's look at the data again. Column and let's just see. Insert sparklines. Let's do the column first. Oh, I went to line first. Okay, so the data range is already specified. We have to locate it someplace. Let's locate it. Put it here. Hit OK. And there it is. So that's the line. Now let's go back to the question itself. Does any line look like that? Going up, up. I think B looks like that. I would say B. Does that mean the picture looks like this as well? Let's take a check. Let's take a glance. We could do the column, of course. Let's go back to change it. Back to insert sparklines column this time. The same. So the data location will be, let's make it the next column over. So what does it look like? Go up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, let's see. Having said that, I would say it must be. Check answer. Hey, got it right. Okay, then they want you to do the same thing for the other INTC, which I assume is the other stock. Well, at this point it's kind of rote. Go here. We go insert. We go sparklines. Start out with a line. You know the data. Put the overwrite it because we're not coming back to that anymore. Okay, and we have this picture. Let's see which picture that is. It's up. What looks like this picture? Horizontal. It goes up. Hard to tell. Picture's too small. We make it bigger. Let's see if we can make it bigger. If we make this bigger, make this bigger, that cell now gets bigger. Okay, now we have a better chance of comparing the shapes. This, by the way, is the old sparkline. I'll get rid of it. Can I get rid of it? Okay, ignore it because that's the old one. So getting back to our shape, it goes horizontal, up, then a little bump up. Like V again. Hey, we're on a roll. All right, I'm going to, no point in repeating that again for the third and fourth part of the question. Or should we? Where are we? Where are we? Now we're doing the third one. CSCO. Okay, let's do it. Find it here. Where are we? CSCO. So here, let's highlight the relevant data. Let's pull this up a little bit. Not my forte. Moving these windows around. Insert, walk line, line. Okay. And let's, just for the fun of it, do the column spark line. Third one. And click. Okay. And it looks like A. It's a good thing. Okay. Oh, sorry, wrong. And then it goes down. It looks like B. I'm sorry. Wow. Now we're doing for GE. Okay, highlight the data. Insert. Walk lines. Line. Range. Here. GE. Data. Don't worry. Insert. Walk line. Column. Here. Okay. So what does it look like for GE? It looks like two bumps and a down. It looks like A. I think it's A. Oh boy, we're lucky. Now for part B, they want us to figure out the win-loss sparkline to visualize daily up or down movement. Now, daily change. Okay, so let's try that, the daily change. Well, to get the daily change, there are two ways we can calculate it. One is an actual difference. G will be equal to not here, this is equal to F3 minus F2. Difference went up, it went up from 387, went up 28 points, so that was a change. We copy this over, we should be able to see all the changes. Went up another 47 points, went another 81 points, went down 17 points, etc. Now we can change this into a spark line, but when I read the book, they seem to want the percentage change. Percentage change is equal to the change G2 divided by, which is a change, remember, I'm sorry, G3, or the third. G3, sorry, G3 divided by the previous day's amount, which in this case was F2. Maybe multiply by 100, make it into a percentage. 100 times parentheses the change divided by the previous number, that would be a decimal point. So it went up by a quarter of a percent, 0.27%. We carry this down, it would be these numbers here. So I'm not sure if they want us to calculate either the absolute difference, the percentage difference, or actually the relative difference where you don't multiply it by 100. This would be equal to the same formula, be equal to H3 times 100, meaning we wipe out the 100. No, left out the equal sign. No. I'm sorry, my mistake. We want to divide it by 100. In fact, divide it by, just to get back the, now it's an actual fractional difference. Clear? All right, so the question is, this is the relative change. Not the percentage, I'm sorry, this should be percentage. Just a label. Absolute change. Let's call it absolute change. There are three types of changes. The change, percent change, the relative change. Now let's try this one. So we're going to take this data here, go into insert, Sparklines. This time will be the win-loss. We have the data highlighted. We can put the answer in, put it here. We have this thing here. So you know what? I think it turns out it doesn't make a difference which one we do. We're going to find, I think all three pictures will be very similar because they're all proportional. Let's try the next one. The next one here. Insert, Sparkline, win-loss, and let's put that here to erase that one. It's very similar, can't tell the difference, except that it's smaller. And I guess the third one should be similar. We'll find out. Highlight the data, insert, Sparkline, win-loss. Let's put it here. It turns out it didn't make a difference. They all look the same. So the answer to this question is this one here. See, learn something. Of course, these are just ways of visualizing the data over time. And we're finished. Wow, that wasn't so bad. Stop sharing, recording.